So the hackathon came around, and I couldn't think of a project, and I realized that I'm fascinated by very simple devices on the internet providing very complicated services, kind of like how the Nest thermostat for your house provides all sorts of data for a company. So I decided to build a better mousetrap. So this is a mousetrap that you can get at any store, Home Depot or whatever. And basically, there's a little ramp in there that goes down when the mouse enters. So basically, mouse goes in here, hits the ramp, and then gets stuck back there. What we have is I got one light saying when the ramp is up, and then this light will tell you when it's detected a mouse. So I'm going to simulate the mouse with this screw by pushing down that ramp, and you'll see the little blue light turn on there. And what that's done now is it has over the internet it has detected a mouse, and then if you look over here, we're capturing all sorts of data every single time a mouse gets detected. So I learn about the ambient light, I learn about the ambient temperature, I learn about how many mice this trap has caught, the entry time between the time when the ramp starts to go down and ends down, how many false counts I get when the ramp goes down a little bit but doesn't hit the bottom, and other stuff that we can gather about the environment when you're catching a mouse. I don't know if you heard it, but I also got a text that when the mouse went in there. So the idea is that this may not be good for like Joe homeowner. I doubt they'll pay $50 or whatever I can do it for a real product. The idea is that this is better for maybe pest control companies, where right now they set a bunch of traps. They come into your house every day to check them. So now they only have to come into your house when there's an actual rat in the trap or mouse in the trap. And then they also get this other environmental data. Hopefully you can learn more and more about when is the best time, what are the right conditions, do a better job trapping them. And then finally they can actually advertise as a business feature to go to your, say we're not going to come into your house every day, but when we catch a mouse, we'll be there in 2 hours or something like that. So better service would provide that way too. Anyway, that's the better mousetrap.